guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a very exciting video because I've been following this brand for a while and they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a little cheeky review for you guys. So here we are today with a haul and review from Devilinspired, who I've been following for quite a while, and they reached out to me in my Instagram DMs and asked if I wanted to share a few things with you guys. So I said yes, which is why we're here today. And yeah, I'm really excited. I've already opened up the items. I've tried them on. I'm super excited to share them with you guys. So let's get right on into it. Alright, so the first item we have here is a sweater. And I know what you're thinking, Jade, it's June. And I'm like, you know what? It's still raining where I am, so this is actually going to be quite good. And I can also wear this into the fall because of the color. But I was super drawn to the sweater because look at this precious kittens right here on the front. It is so cute. It is doing like the little neckle thing and the bell, and I'm pretty sure, is this embroidered or like knitted embroidered? It's really soft. It's not like hard embroidery. It's like a soft kitty. The lines are harder, but the actual kitty part is not. I mean, like, let's get a little close up. How freaking cute is that? I literally can't. Also, I didn't realize when I picked it, the little sleeves have bows. This is the cutest freaking thing ever. Also, it has that like nice pattern on the sleeves. We love a nice knit pattern. And like the Argyle, I'm living my best life. I've also been watching a lot of Spy X Family, and I feel like Argyle just makes you seem fancier. So let me live my best life in this. I'm very excited. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on. Ta-da! What do we think? Is it not just the cutest sweater ever? I love it so much. I also appreciate that the bows are on the outsides of the sleeves and not on the inside, so they don't tickle my wrist. And let me just say, if it is chilly where you are, this could be a good sweater for you. I don't have my window open because I don't like the noise from outside coming in, but I am already quite toasty, which is actually nice because it is not nice outside. So this I'm going to be wearing probably for the rest of June because it is super cute. I think this paired with like, ooh, like a cute, I have a red skirt with yellow in it. Oh my gosh, I'm building outfits in my mind. I'm like, expect a style video with these coming soon, like how to style this cute sweater 3 different ways. I'm so excited. I also just realized these little coins on the bottom are little yen coins. I think that is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's a lucky cat. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't. I love it so much. It is so cute and so warm. I love the kitty. The kitty is the cutest thing. I want a cat so bad. I wanted a cat for 22 years, but oh well. I'll do with a cat sweater, which is super warm. I'm like, the back is plain, but kitty in the front, plain in the back. That's all we really need. I believe the sweater is a one size fits all, and it is quite a big sweater. I like that it's not super long though, because I feel like if I want to wear a skirt or anything, sweaters that are one size fits all that are longer, your skirt's bunching up right here and it just doesn't look cute. So we can definitely pair this with a skirt or perhaps a cute little dress, a little on top sweater moment. Who knows? Again, I'm probably going to do a styling video for these as well, so stay tuned for that. Alright, the next item is also a sweater. Again, it's still really cold out and your girl needs warmth. And ooh, what is this? It's black. What is this for me? Oh my gosh, but my style is expanding. I got rid of a bunch of clothes and this had an anime character on it, which I'm pretty sure is from Death Note. Y'all can come for me in the comments and correct me if I'm wrong, but I have seen a lot of people with sweaters that are similar to this or like the same character, and I have always wanted one. And when it was available to pick on Devilinspired's website, you know I had to scoop it up. I'm living my little e-girl life. Sometimes I feel moody and I need cute clothing for when I'm feeling dark and brooding. And this is really cute and I love it so much. It also has like another character on the sleeve. Can someone tell me who this is? Is it Death Note? Did I get this right? Am I knowing what's up? I've read Death Note, but it was a long time ago, so like, who knows? But This is really freaking cute, and it's a nice big oversized sweater, and I love oversized sweaters because you can layer them with like a shirt, so like if it gets too hot you can take it off, or you know, if it's freezing then you have layers, and I love it. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on. What do we think of this anime moment? I'm pretty sure the character is Misa. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure it's Death Note, but again, I might be wrong. I love this sweater. It's definitely not like as toasty as the other one. It's just a different kind of knit. It's still warm, but like I started sweating faster in that one, if you know what I mean. This is super cute though. This one is definitely like a longer sweater. Sorry, my pants are black so you can't really tell, but it stops right here. So I feel like if you were to do a skirt, do like the belt trick and just tuck it into the belt and then like have a cute little crop skirt moment. I love this sweater though. I like that you can see the character better when you actually have an arm in the sleeve. I love it though. Look at the character. I think it's so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I showed this to my coworker today and she's like, I want one. That's cute. And I'm like, thank you, I know. I am super excited. I love how much it stands out in my rainbow clothing. I think you can I've got a little section of black over there. This will be a part of my cute new darker wardrobe collection, which I'm very excited to expand my wardrobe to have other colors and cute things like this, because I feel like on the days that I want it to be, you know, like grungy and like an e-girl maybe, I didn't have cute clothing for that, and now I do. So thank you, Devilinspired. This is the cutest sweater. I love it. But I love the cat one too. I love them both. They're so cute. I love it. Alright, this last item is probably my favorite, and I was a little nervous on wanting to review this one just because of pant sizing online. However, I was pleasantly surprised and they fit me like a glove, and I am very excited to show you guys these super cute like flower power Powerpuff Girl kind of inspired pants. They're like two-toned, so the sides are like a darker kind of jean and the front is like a lighter kind. But like, can we talk about the flowers, the little colorful daisies, and the tushy has two flowers on the back? I love it so much. I think it is the cutest freaking thing in the world. Like, I literally can't. I can't. Look at these pants. Look at them. Look at the flowers. I am living like my rainbow flower life. These are definitely like, I don't know what this is. It's like fluffy. Like this part's definitely embroidered, this part and the edges, but I don't know what this middle part is, and it's just like fuzzy. I'm not sure what that could be, but either way, I freaking love it. Maybe it's a patch, that would make sense. It is super cute. I love these jeans to pieces. I have already worn them to work a few times and my coworkers love them. So yeah, let's try these on for you guys. Y'all are going to have to excuse some things on the side. Y'all know how my room is right now, but can we talk about how cute these pants are? Oh my goodness. I am literally obsessed. They fit me to like the T. So for reference, my waist is a 24, 25, really depends if I'm bloated or not. And I got the size small and they fit like a glove. I'm also 5'5" and I do not need to roll these up at all. They are the perfect height, so like these are literally made for me. I love them so much. I mean, look at the booty. The booty's feeling cute. It's feeling florally and super fun. I just love them so much. These pants are the cutest. Also, like, they kind of go with the top that I'm wearing right now. Like, these are so cute. I love them so much. Like, sorry you can't see my face in this, but like, oh, we feeling cute, we feeling fruity. I'm feeling like a colorful Powerpuff Flower girl. I'm obsessed. I can't. Look how cute they are. I love these pants, guys. That is all I have to say about them. I love them so much. Alright Alright guys, what did you think of these super cute items? Perhaps you need Powerpuff Girl rainbow flower pants, a cat sweater, an anime sweater, perhaps all three? All the links will be in the description below, and as well, Devilinspired hooked me up with a coupon code for you guys, so you can use code CHEEKYSPARKLES for 12% off your order. And thank you again, Devilinspired, for sending me these super cute items. I cannot wait to maybe do a cheeky style video. I'm gonna do a style video. Stay tuned for the style video. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!